Day 3. Let's check on the nest. Oh, we got a deer that just huffed at me. What'd you huff at me for? Oh, see what we got going on in here today. Oh, we still got eggs. I got a deer right there that's staring at me. Yeah. So, eggs are doing good. I didn't see mama bird. No mama bird. I'm gonna do some grilling out again, like I normally do. Stuff I gotta freaking do around the property here. And it's getting wet. Why is there a cookie? Bay. And of course it's raining. Always raining. There we go. Always raining. What the heck is that noise? You hear something. You hear something. Something running around. Oh. Cooking out on the grill, and it's raining, the beat blazes. That sucks. I had one day of no rain. One day of no rain. And it's been raining today. And now my trench is filled with water again. Again. It's gotta stop raining. I'm never gonna get that line in if it doesn't stop raining. I keep seeing stuff back there. What do I keep seeing back there? This is the line I'm talking about for the well. That's my generator. He's here and there. Oh well. Signing off.